how to get CorelDRAW for free. So if you want to get CorelDRAW for free, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. Go with the search, and here you need to search for CorelDRAW support. Once you search here, you will have the CorelDRAW support. You just need to simply go with the CorelDRAW support, and here you need to scroll down and then go with the option of create support ticket or submit a ticket option. Click on submit a ticket, then it will take you to the next kind of interface, which looks like this, where you just need to simply enter some details. So enter the product that you would like to download, and then under the OS, choose the Windows, and under OS version, you need to choose your version, and then go and choose 2023 version, and the issue type, choose customer service as the issue type, and then enter the serial number or order if you have. So for example, I'll be entering something, and then you need to enter your full name and your email address and enter the subject. And here you need to enter asking about the free trial, and under the description you need to write hello CorelDRAW team. Actually, I wanted to ask you for a free trial version of CorelDRAW. I wanted to buy the product, but before buying or before doing the purchase, I wanted to check the software properly. So this is my account details, and you need to enter your email address or the mobile number, and you need to write, I would like to request you to give me a free trial of CorelDRAW. Thank you. And after entering the description, you need to simply click on I agree to the processing of my personal data in accordance with the privacy statement, and permit the companies of the older group to process my data in accordance with the privacy statement. And once you entered all of that, you just need to simply click on submit. Once you click on submit, then you will get the CorelDRAW for free. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.